How to remember everything. There was a time when Ayan believed his mind was broken. He forgot names. He forgot promises. He forgot dreams he once swore he would chase. Every night he lay on his bed staring at the ceiling, replaying the same painful thought. Why can't I remember anything important? As a child, Ayan had a sharp memory. Teachers praised him. Friends relied on him. His mother used to say, "Your mind is a blessing." But life happened. Responsibilities piled up. Failures left scars. Stress slowly erased the colors of his thoughts. One day, something small but powerful happened. He forgot his father's words. Not the exact sentence, but the feeling behind them. That night, sitting alone in silence, Ayan felt a heaviness in his chest. Tears came without warning. He realized something terrifying. He wasn't forgetting facts. He was forgetting himself. The next morning, instead of blaming his memory, he decided to listen to it. He picked up an old notebook and wrote just one line. What do I want to remember for the rest of my life? At first, nothing came. Then slowly, memories returned, not as details, but as emotions. The smell of rain during childhood, his mother's tired smile, the fear before his first failure, the hope he once carried like fire. That's when he understood a truth no one had taught him. The brain remembers information. The heart remembers meaning. Ayan stopped trying to remember everything. Instead, he started remembering what mattered. He connected learning with emotion. He told stories to himself. He repeated lessons not with pressure, but with purpose. When he read, he asked, "Why does this matter to my life?" When he learned, he felt it, not memorized it. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. His memory didn't become perfect, but it became alive. He remembered because he cared. He remembered because he felt. He remembered because he finally slowed down enough to understand. One evening, Ayan opened the same notebook and wrote a second line. I don't need to remember everything. I need to remember who I am. And from that day on, forgetting stopped being his enemy. It became his teacher. Moral of the story. You don't remember everything by forcing your mind. You remember everything by connecting your heart.